Hello and welcome to our May roundup of the housing and letting market for Cardiff, Wales and the UK. Thank you for joining us. The latest report from the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors highlights that new buyer inquiries fell in numbers for the first time in over a year. Price levels remain firm with tight supply conditions supporting growth, and near-term sales expectations remain solid. Welsh house prices are expected to rise over the next 3 months in the first-time buyers price bracket and also for traditional 3-bedroom semis, despite some cooling off in demand following the introduction of stamp duty changes. A net balance of 9% of Welsh charter surveyors reported that the number of new buyer inquiries fell last month, the first drop since March 2015, albeit a marginal one. However, with the supply of new properties coming onto the market remaining limited, prices are continuing to rise and charter surveyors expect this trend to continue in the near term. Some homeowners may decide to wait until after the EU vote before selling their homes, despite significant demand from buyers, so we could see this shortfall continuing until June. There's now a severe shortage of properties on the market, with fierce competition between buyers for each available property, in particular the first-time buyers' properties and traditional 3-bedroom semis. We anticipate the market is set for a bumpy ride over the next few months, best returning to the normal conditions from around July onwards. In the lettings market, tenant demand continues to increase, with 22% of chartered surveyors seeing a rise rather than a fall. As yet, there's been no noticeable increase in landlord instructions, and as a result of the recent increase in demand from buy-to-let landlords. Comments from several chartered surveyors suggest that the recent policy changes towards the sector, which have increased costs for landlords, are leading them to reconsider their position in the market, and the shortage of properties could drive rents higher in future. Chartered surveyors can see rents rising over the coming 3 months on an average expected growth of 3.4% per annum. If you're thinking of selling or renting, contact our professional teams in sales or rentals for expert advice, free and without obligation. So until our next market roundup, this is Tony Filice, Director of Kelvin saying goodbye.